Hello, I'm Keatron Evans, Principal Security Researcher and course author at Infosec. This time of year should be about celebration and fun. Unfortunately, hackers may be the ones celebrating. The holidays are the best time for scammers, and if you're not careful, you might end up hacked for the holidays. There are many different scams and attacks during the holidays. First, there are gift card scams. These are very common this time of year. When buying a gift card, never buy from auction sites or social media. These cards are often empty or stolen. Only purchase gift cards from trusted sources. Once you have your gift card, be careful how you spend it. Scammers persuade people to pay fake debts or make fake purchases. To do this, the scammers ask victims to send gift cards rather than purchasing with credit cards or checks. Gift cards have fewer consumer protections. Once the scammer gets the gift card information, your money is gone. The second scam to look out for is fake shipping notifications. Whether you're sending or receiving gifts, you'll be getting a lot of shipping notifications. Hackers will send emails containing fake notifications. These look totally real, but once you click on the link to track your non-existent delivery, you're in trouble. The link downloads malware and lets the hackers into your computer. Watch out for emails with scary language like delivery issue or delivery failure notification. Instead of clicking the email, log into the real website and check your shipping status there. Third, there's deals that are just too good to be true. Every kid wants that popular toy or new game. Shoppers will be scouring the internet for deals, and scammers will be targeting those shoppers. 90% off a new computer, $10 for $500 worth of gift cards, it's a fake. Next, there's fake storefronts. Sometimes hackers create copycat websites. They look exactly like real sites, and you think you're buying a real product, but you're actually giving a hacker your credit card information. Check the URL of any shopping site and confirm that it's the real one before making any purchases. Finally, scammers will exploit your good nature. Charity scams multiply around the holidays. Scammers set up fake charities and ask for donations. They claim they're going to buy food, medicine, or presents for the disadvantaged, but the money is going into the scammers' pockets. Only donate to reputable, established charities. Nobody wants their celebrations ruined. So how do you avoid scams during the holiday season? When it comes to online shopping, think of just two words: go slow. Don't be pressured into acting quickly. Move slowly and think carefully. Only buy from trusted known retailers and avoid buying from scalpers and third-party resellers. These may entice you with great offers and then deliver counterfeit merchandise, or nothing at all. Next, verify. Make sure you're on the right site before you click buy. When it comes to charities, check them out before you donate. Use resources like Charity Navigator and the FTC to research organizations and confirm that they're legitimate. Avoid any charity asking you to donate via gift card, wire transfer, or cryptocurrency. And never mail anyone cash. The holidays are a meaningful time of year. It's a time for food and fun, not fraud. This year, the best gift is staying cyber secure. Go slow, think carefully, and don't let yourself be talked into deals that are too good to be true. Stay safe and happy holidays from your friends at Infosec.